Welcome to the Elvatech's YouTube channel. Today we are going to dive into a fascinating topic. What is XRF? If you ever wondered how to make a quick and precise analysis, so you are in the right place. XRF stands for X-ray fluorescence. It's a powerful analytical spectrometer that can determine the elemental composition of the material. Whether you are working in construction, metalworks, environment protection, or archaeology, XRF can provide you with the reliable data right when you need it. Let's start with the basics. In XRF, the material is exposed to the beam of X-ray. When the X-ray interacts with the atoms of the material, it causes the material atoms to emit their own X-rays, which is called fluorescence. Each element in the material emits X-rays with a specific energy signature, and this is how actually we can determine which element is which and in what concentration it presented in the material. This method is non-destructive, which means that it will not provide damage to the sample you are measuring. And you can measure literally anything, from metals and minerals to the works of art. And you can be sure that your sample will not be destructed or damaged anyhow. And now let's move on to the practice. We're gonna measure and show you how to do it right now. The XRF analyzer directs a focused beam of energy right to the sample. And the atoms of the sample absorb that energy and provide the secondary X-rays. And the detector of the device, it captures the emitted energy and counts it by this percentage. The analyzer then processes this information to determine which elements are presented and in which qualities, can give you results in both percentage and ppms. Also, the entire process takes just a few seconds, which immediately provides you with the insight what could have been this material. The XRF is incredibly versatile and is used in a wide industries. For example, in construction, it's used to determine the quality of materials such as cement or steel. In metalworks, it's used to determine the composition of material, the metal, and the grade of alloy, to understand if it fits with the industry standards. In environmental field, it's used to determine if the soil has any kind of toxins or heavy metals. And if we are talking about archaeology, they use this device if they need to measure the ancient statue or some kind of piece of art that should not be damaged. Basically, it's no matter what is your industry, XRF can provide you with the reliable and accurate data really quickly and effectively. So, why to choose XRF? Well, basically, first of all, it's non-destructive and it will not cause any damage to your samples. Also, it's very fast and can provide you with the results just in couple seconds. Plus, it's very accurate, making it an indispensable tool for research and industry. All these advantages makes XRF an essential tool for those who are wanting to make a quick and accurate analysis. Now that you know about the X-ray technology, you can see yourself how valuable and really profitable these devices can be. And if you want to get any additional information or you would like to see how the XRF can benefit you at your field of job, you can contact us at Elvatech. Thanks for watching. We're always happy to answer your question and to introduce you to the world of fascinating, reliable, and high-precise analysis using the Elvatech spectrometers. And today this is all for you. And if you like this video, just press the like button and don't forget to subscribe and to press the bell sign to receive the notification of a new video. Stay tuned and see you soon.